incapable of being explained, accounted for, inexplicable. A person interested in reading books and nothing else. Book born. A book or picture produced merely to bring in money. Pot boiler. Deviation or departure from common rule or standard. Anomaly. A person who hates women. Misogynist. Elderly woman in charge of a girl on social occasions. Chairperson. Land so surrounded by water as to the almost and Iceland peninsula. A place adjoining kitchen for batching dishes. Scholarly. Incapable of being bounded. Invulnerable. A fixed orbit in space in relation to Earth. Geostationary. Part song for several voices without instrumental accompanist. Madrigal. A person who is the property of another and bound to serve him. Slave. A perception without objective reality. Hallucinations. One who possesses many talent. Versatile. A person who studies the formation of the earth. Geologist. A tube filled at one end with mirror and piece of colored glass which shows many colored pattern when turned. Kaleidoscope. Bird for bird reproduction. Verbatim. A person who collects coin. Numismatist. Open revelation of soldier and sailor against lawful authority. Mutiny. A school for infants and young children. Kindergarten. Policy of political party. Manifesto. A story told to illustrate a moral or a spiritual truth. Parable. One who believes that everything is predestined. Fatalist. A person who betrays a friend. Traitor. A person. A verse letter. Epistle. One who eats everything. Omnivorous. Joint sovereignty exercised over country by two or more countries. Condominium. A stage between boyhood and youth. Adolescence. To move along with quick so distinct regal that which cannot be done without indispensable, that which cannot be ratified or made good, irreparable. A ride on someone else's back on shoulders, piggyback. A ride on someone else's back or soldiers, piggyback. A cure for all disease, panacea. Unreasoning enthusiasm for the glorification of one's country, chauvinism. The form of madness which gives a person the idea that his importance is very great, megalomania. One who travels from place to place, itinerant, itinerant. that that which is perceptible by touch, tangible. A person who is bad in a spelling, cacographist, a short walk for pleasure or exercise, a stroll, that which cannot be understood, uni, unintelligible, a person who is more interested in himself rather than anything that is going on around him, introvert, a story that can hardly be believed, incredible, something which can be taken for granted, postulate, a sea abounding in Iceland, archaeopology, one who resides in a country or which he not citizen alien, one who draws maps and chart, cartographer, anything which destroyed the effect of poison and antidote, a song sung at a burial dirge, bird used in ancient time but no longer it general use now, archaic, ridiculous use of word, mala, prose. He spent a long time cutting all the paste paper into pieces, shredding. The stableman at the inn was the only witness to the murder. Hostler. A nation engaged in war cannot attain high level of excellence in cultural field. Belly Grant. Sunil was buying ticket at the counter when suddenly he noticed a lady purse lying on the floor. Reticle. The man's nervous sense depicted that it was the first speech delivered by him. Maiden. Nowadays we often come across cases of admission to institutions through counterfeit certificate and document forgery. He is very careful and particular about everything he does. Meticulous. A soldier who fights for the ask of money cannot be branded as courage and patriotic mercenary. Government by all cannot ensure order. Pantocracy. The most common local means of transport in British time was a two-wheeled cab for two to ride inside with driver mounted up behind. Handsome. We are looking forward to a good winter this year, hoping the automobile has tended to destroy without any trace of difference between rural and urban life. Obliterate. Virus is a biological entity which lives on another organism. Parasite. The discovery of the instrument with lenses for making very small objects appear larger beyond our scope of no knowledge microscope. We should always be grateful to one who has suffered for a great cause. Martyr. A study of environment is a newly evolving branch of science. Ecology. Rajesh was a hater of learning and knowledge. Mycologist. He was spoken in return for being taught the trade. Apprentice. Submarines operate below the surface of the sea. Subter, subterranean. Tuberculosis is a disease which spreads by contact, contagious. Ravi impressed everyone with his persuasive and fluent speech. eloquence. A loud talk or a speech is never impressive. Hierarchy. No theorem can be proved without using the statements which are taken for granted postulates. The bus has to go back and forth every 6 hours shuttle. The committee insisted on a total check on all social evil, and he was the one where heralded the revolution. Harbinger. During this Sultanate rule in India, men were not allowed to enter the women's part of dueling harem. You are requested to send a list of goods sent with their price along with the parcel so that the payment can be done immediately. Invoice. It is a custom of Christianity to sing morning prayer in the church regularly. Matin. Not many people were impressed by a speech delivered without previous preparation. Extempore. A man can be sentenced to death for killing another human being. Homicide. The complete eradication of poverty is an unreal and visionary ideal. Chimerical. The caretaker of a public building needs to be a vigilant and an honest person. Custodian. A careful, a careful preservation and protection of wildlife is the need of the hour. Conservation. Both Buddha and Mahavir lived at the same time. Contemporary. This process is a long one as it involves too much official formalities. Red tapeism. Those who pass through this gate without permissions will be prosecuted. Three passengers. The officer was not willing to take a definite stand on that point. Ephesus. The shelter for cow out to be clean and well ventilated. Wiry. The servant had not even left the place when a sudden rush of wind blew away the clothes which he had just dried. Gust. I find that your views are not to my liking. Irritating. His father is a doctor who treats children and infants. Pediatrist. The fashion of bell bottom trouser and become out of date. Obsolescent. Rajiv Gandhi was awarded Bharat Ratna after his death. Posthumous. His father is a doctor who treats children and infants. Pediatrician. He does unpaid work for the Red Cross. Honori. The education in primitive Gurukul comprised mainly of telling the story of old-time gods or horse legend. The conclusion derived from experiment shows deviation from the common rule. Anomaly. In the olden days, the king was considered all-powerful, omnipotent, despite being in the career of singing for the last 10 years. He has not been able to earn fame on account of his practice of borrowing ideas and words from others and using them as plagiarism. Every person is not allowed to enter the place where public government or historical records are kept. Archives. The advertisement assured the public that the medicine would give back to the user their youthful vigor and the appearance rejuvenate.